Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Baik Firda Aulia Khairi dari Prodi Seni Kuliner semester 2B. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan mengeksplain salah satu menu dari Chinese food, yaitu ada 2 appetizer dan 1 sup. Di appetizer itu ada dua macam. Yang pertama itu ada Zayunten dan Guo Tie, dan untuk sup itu ada Hai Yung Suk Maigang. Baik, pertama-tama saya akan mengeksplain salah satu menu dari appetizer, yaitu Zayunten atau fried wonton, atau biasa disebut di Indonesia itu siomay goreng. Di sini untuk 40 porsi per 2 pieces per porsinya. Itu bahan-bahannya itu ada chicken, prawn, egg, corn flour, soy sauce, spring onion, sesame oil, salt and pepper, dan untuk ukuran lengkapnya bisa dilihat sendiri di sini. Dan untuk wonton wraps-nya itu ada flour, egg, salt, water. For sweet and sour sauce itu ada tomato ketchup, chicken stock, garlic, pineapple, carrot, sugar, white vinegar, corn flour, water, and salt to taste. Untuk cooking of methodnya, yang pertama harus kita lakukan adalah tentu membuat kulit pangsitnya terlebih dahulu. Lalu untuk wrappers-nya, yang pertama itu adalah kocok telur, garam, dan air, lalu ayak tepung, lalu setelah itu campur kocokan telur dengan tepung sampai menjadi adonan. Diamkan selama kurang lebih 5-10 menit, lalu dibentuk atau dicetak menggunakan penggilingan. For sweet and sour sauce, first step, saute garlic without coloring, add the sugar and melt until pour in stock, simmer 5 minutes, add in tomato ketchup, add in vegetable and simmer for 3 minutes until soft, blend corn flour with little water and stir in, add in vinegar and salt to taste. And for the next step, combine all the ingredients of main ingredients and allow to marinate for 13 minutes. Lay out wonton wrappers. Place a teaspoon of mixture on each wrapper. Slip into wonton pouch. Fry in hot oil until golden brown. Serve with sweet and sour sauce. Selanjutnya itu ada guo tie atau Chinese dumplings. Ini untuk 5 porsi, per porsinya itu isi 3 pieces per 75 gram. Bahan-bahannya itu ada chicken meat, white cabbage, onion, scallion, ginger, cilantro leaf, garlic, celery, egg, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, chicken bones, carrot, and for the char siu sauce are char siu sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, chicken stock, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, brown sugar, cornstarch, vegetable oil, and salt and pepper to taste. For cooking of method of guo tie, first step, place cabbage in a bowl, sprinkle with 1 teaspoon salt and then leave for 13 minutes. Squeeze handfuls of cabbage to remove excess water, then combine all ingredients except wonton wrappers and allow to marinate for 13 minutes. Lay out wonton wrappers, place 1 teaspoon of chicken mixture and then in the center of each wrapper. Until ready to ice, keep wrappers covered with a damp towel to prevent them from drying out. Moisten edges with egg. Bring opposite sides to form a spherical pinch to seal. Add 2 teaspoons vegetable oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Place half of pot sticker in bottom of skillet. Cook 3 minutes or until bottoms are lightly browned. Add water to skillet, cover and cook 3 minutes or until liquid is absorbed. Place pot sticker on a serving platter. Set aside and keep warm. Serve with char siu sauce. And next, cooking of method for char siu sauce. First step are saute chopped ginger and garlic in oil. Add char siu sauce and add the rest of ingredients along with the chicken stock and bring it boil. And finally, thicken the sauce with cornstarch and adjust seasoning and keep aside. And next, for the soup are Hai Yung Suk Maigang for 10 portion. The ingredients are chicken stock, sweet corn, crab meat, egg white, corn flour, spring onion like soy sauce, sesame oil, Chinese rice wine, salt and pepper to taste. And for the cooking of method are: first step, bring the stock to boil, Chinese style cook, with crab meat, and then blend it first to reduce the smell if it's canned, and with sweet corn. And then add sauce, sesame oil, Chinese wine, salt, and pepper, and then simmer for 2 minutes. Mix the corn flour with wet and add it to the stock. And then allow simmer for 2 minutes. Add the white egg gradually and stir it until it forms turds in the soup. Check seasoning for taste. And ready to serve. Sekian dari saya hari ini, kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi.